The NXT15 is a tough and powerful charger for all kinds of 12 volts vehicle batteries. In this video, we will show you how to charge your battery with the NXT15 and how you use its additional features. Before charging, attach the temperature sensor to the red clamp. This allows the NXT15 to adjust the charging voltage based on ambient temperature. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal or a suitable earth point on the chassis. Check your vehicle manual for correct connection points. When plugged into a power outlet, the NXT15 starts automatically. If the clamps are connected incorrectly, the red error indicator lights up, and the charger's reverse polarity protection prevents any damage. By default, the charger starts in the car program for lead-acid batteries. Press the mode button to select Recond to restore and recondition lead-acid batteries once or twice a year, or when they are deeply discharged. Supply to support the battery during service work, or to keep contact power during battery removal. When using supply, the spark protection on the NXT15 is disabled, so make sure you do not let the clamps touch together. Lithium for lithium car batteries. The charger remembers your last selected mode even after unplugging. If a lithium battery has shut down due to undervoltage protection shown by a flashing power LED, press and hold the mode button for 10 seconds to wake it up manually. Once charging begins, the NXT15 automatically moves through empty, charging, ready to use, and fully charged stages. It can safely stay connected long-term as it switches to maintenance mode to prevent overcharging. Now you know how to operate the NXT15 to take your charging to the next level.